Welcome. This video guides you through resetting the oil life indicator and clearing the maintenance required light on your 2025 Toyota Camry Hybrid. These procedures are essential for maintaining your vehicle and ensuring accurate service reminders. This process takes under 2 minutes and doesn't require tools. The 2025 Camry Hybrid uses an advanced vehicle monitoring system to track oil degradation and maintenance needs. The oil life indicator calculates oil life based on driving conditions like mileage, time, and temperature. The maintenance required light reminds you of inspections every 5,000 miles or 6 months, even if an oil change isn't needed. Hybrid vehicles like the Camry have extended oil change intervals of around 10,000 miles or 1 year due to lower engine RPMs and regenerative braking. The system alerts you when oil life drops below 15%. Always use Toyota genuine motor oil to avoid sensor errors. To reset the maintenance required light on the 2025 Toyota Camry Hybrid, follow these steps carefully. First, turn the ignition to on with the engine off. This powers the electrical systems without starting the vehicle. Next, press the disc button on the steering wheel to access the multi-information display. Then, navigate through the menu to trip information, then maintenance. Hold the OK button for 5 seconds until the reset option appears on the screen. Finally, confirm the reset to clear the maintenance required light. This process takes under 2 minutes and resets the reminder for your next maintenance interval. First, perform an oil change using Toyota genuine motor oil to ensure optimal performance and sensor accuracy in the hybrid system. Next, turn the ignition to the on position while keeping the engine off. Using the vehicle's touchscreen, navigate to the Vehicle Settings menu, then select Oil Maintenance. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the oil life reset. Resetting maintenance lights yourself can save $50 to $80 compared to a dealership visit. The DIY reset process is straightforward and takes under 2 minutes using the vehicle's touchscreen and steering wheel controls. However, improper resets without performing actual maintenance can void your vehicle's warranty. Always ensure maintenance, like oil changes, is completed before resetting any indicators to maintain your warranty and vehicle health. If the maintenance light reappears shortly after resetting, ensure you followed the correct procedure and that all scheduled maintenance has been completed. This often happens when the reset wasn't done properly or if maintenance tasks were missed. If problems persist despite following the steps correctly, consult a certified Toyota technician. They have diagnostic tools to identify underlying issues with the vehicle's systems. Software glitches in early 2025 models may require a free update from the dealership. Toyota has addressed these issues through over-the-air updates to improve system reliability. Future of car maintenance is going digital. Keep an eye out for AI-driven maintenance apps and even autonomous oil life tracking via smartphone connectivity in future Camry models. As hybrid ownership grows, Toyota aims to standardize and simplify these processes even further. By 2030, experts predict 60% of new vehicles will be electrified, reducing traditional oil changes. Toyota is investing in AI-driven maintenance apps, with the 2026 Camry expected to feature fully autonomous oil life tracking. However, cybersecurity risks in connected vehicles need to be addressed. Remember to always consult your vehicle's manual.